Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Haley and I am a Seattle-based flight attendant for a major US airline. I am starting a 3-day trip. I actually fly out tomorrow, but my trip reports at 6 a.m. tomorrow, so that means that I have to commute over tonight. It is a 3-3-1, technically a 2-3-1 because I have a deadhead tomorrow in the middle of both of my working flights. But I'm going to Atlanta and then I'm going to Orlando, and I have longer layovers actually in those cities. So in Atlanta, I believe I have 15 hours, and then Orlando, I have 19. Right now it's about 1:30 p.m. I'm going to be taking the 7:30 flight out of Spokane to get to Seattle tonight, but I wanted to start the vlog out with a meal prep. So we have a really early flight tomorrow. I'm gonna make a breakfast burrito for like tomorrow's breakfast, and then I am kind of cheating with the meal prepping because I have factor meals I need to use up before I get my next shipment in. Let's meal prep for my 3-day trip. So the breakfast burritos that I make are actually super simple. They only require just a few ingredients. I put egg, obviously, bacon, cheese, and hash brown, and then wrapped in a tortilla. It's super easy and very yummy. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is get some bacon cooking on the stove. And I'm gonna do, this is just the fully cooked bacon from Costco. So I have 2 pieces. I have these hash brown potato patties. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. And then I need to remember to flip it over halfway through. And I like to season those hash browns with this breakfast rub from Traeger. My hash brown is in here, and I have my 2 pieces of bacon frying on the stove. First thing that's gonna go on my tortilla is some sriracha. And then we're gonna put 2 slices of bacon. And then we have the hash brown. I just cut it up into 2 different pieces, so it looks like this. And then I have the egg. And then I have cheese. And then in the same pan that I cooked the eggs in, I am just frying this burrito to make it crispy on the outside. I just put the burrito in the freezer, and I wanted to pull out these factor meals. This is not sponsored or anything, but I have 4 factor meals that I'm gonna bring with me on this trip. The first one is a garlic butter and mushroom chicken thigh. The second one, truffle butter chicken and mushroom risotto. And then I have a Santa Fe style green chili beef skillet. And then the last one is a fajita spice chicken breast and cauliflower rice. And then I also have just a couple of snacks if I get hungry. I have this jalapeno tuna packet, and then I just have 2 chomps sticks, and that's all I'm bringing for food. Just these, the 4 factor meals, and the breakfast burrito. That's it. But I don't leave until tonight, so I'm gonna go put these back in the freezer until I'm ready to go.
What? Come here. Come here. Oh, big stretch.
I'm pretty much done packing. I have everything in my suitcase except for one of my uniforms. I'm wearing the pink uniform tomorrow because this is going to be one of the last trips that I get to wear it, because after this trip I don't work again until November, and that one is currently still wet from the washer, so I have to wait for that to dry. And then I'm gonna commute over in my gray uniform, which is just, you can kind of see it a little bit over there on the bed. It is now 2:35. I should probably list for my commuting flight over tonight, so let me do that really quickly. And then yeah, all my food is ready to go, my carry-on, all my luggage is ready to go, so after this I can just relax until it's time to leave. Okay, just booked my commuting flight over, and I will see you when I'm about ready to leave my house. Okay, here is my luggage all ready to go, minus my lunch bag, but I didn't realize that I still had my flats and my heels in here, which I will just put those on when I get dressed and ready to leave. Hey you guys. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see me right now, but I am driving to my parents' house. My flight to Seattle ended up getting delayed, so now, sorry, let me just focus on backing up real quickly. So my flight to Seattle got delayed three and a half hours, y'all. That is insane. And I'm going back to my parents' house. It's about 7:30 right now, and I'm gonna go eat dinner with them, but I'm all packed. I have everything in the back that I need, but it's so crazy. I'm like just praying that it does not get canceled, because if it does, I'll probably have to drive over to Seattle tonight, which won't be good. So anyway, this is my new car mount. I'm really hoping that this like works. Staying like this, I don't know. We'll see. But yep, heading to my parents' house right now and then the airport. So my flight has changed the departure time 3 times now. We were supposed to leave at 7:35, and then it got delayed it delayed twice, and then it got pushed forward once. So we were supposed to leave at 7:35, and then we were supposed to leave at, we were supposed to leave at 7:35, and then it got delayed until 9:44 p.m. and then it got delayed again to 10:58, and then it got pushed forward about 14 minutes to 10:44, and now I'm sitting at the airport. It's 9:40 p.m. and the plane hasn't even left Seattle yet. So I am praying that this flight does not cancel, because I have to get to work tomorrow. It's been delayed since like noon today. So anyway, I'm just waiting until it gets a little bit closer, because I'm obviously in civilian clothes and I have to go and change into my uniform to go through TSA, because I have 3 bags and I have so many liquids with me, so I can't wear my normal clothes, but that's fine. Yeah, just wanted to update you, and I will see you inside. Right after I finished filming that clip, I got a message on my app and the flight delayed again to 11:04. It is so cold. Just made it to the airport. Gonna go ahead and change into my uniform. I'm ready to go through TSA.
Large bag, on an overhead bin, small bag, placed in an overhead bin.
Made it to Seattle. Time to change into my pajamas. jacket. Made it to Atlanta, just got to my hotel room. I did my hotel checks to make sure there are no humans in here, no bugs, all the things. I'm gonna change out of my uniform and then I will update you on kind of how my day went. Time to take all this makeup off and get ready for bed. So my company just came out with a new social media policy today, and I am a little nervous because I feel like some of my content, I need clarification on this new policy. So I don't even know if I can post this video and everything that I have in it. So I'm going to be reaching out to my company's policy, the people who are in charge of social media and all of that, just to run it by them to make sure what I'm posting is allowed and I'm not going to get in trouble for it. But today was it was a good day, but honestly I'm so tired. I slept in the lounge last night and I'm just so tired because I did not sleep very well. Oops. I need to get more of this stuff. I'm almost out. The CeraVe makeup removing cleanser balm. Hello. Okay, I just braided my hair and now I'm gonna head to bed. I will see you in the morning. Good night. Just got to our hotel in Orlando and I'm actually meeting up with the crew in about 5-ish minutes. We're gonna go get some dinner and a couple of drinks and yeah, just chill after our long day. The flights honestly were super easy. They were all express services and passengers were amazing today. It was such a great day and I feel like I'm just in such a great mood. I'm in Orlando and I love Orlando. And tomorrow my crew actually wants to go out and explore and go to resort hop around Disney because we're not getting actual park passes because they're so expensive and we're not even going to be there for an entire day. I would go if we had an entire day to go, but we have to leave at 4 o'clock. So we're gonna go get some Disney magic without going into the parks, and they actually want to go with me. I love that, and I totally would have been fine going by myself. Back in the hotel room, I forgot to record dinner. I was just trying to enjoy the moment, so I didn't take my camera out. It is 1:11 a.m. here in Orlando, and my crew and I are gonna meet up tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. down in the lobby. So I'm gonna head to bed because I have a full morning ahead of me walking around the different resorts and Disney Springs. So I will see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. I am getting ready to leave right now. It's about, I don't even have my watch on. It's, I think, around like 8:50. I'm meeting the rest of my crew downstairs at 9 a.m. and we're gonna go explore Disney, Disney Springs, the resorts, all that. I'm so excited, but I'm just chugging some water to start off the day. It's absolutely beautiful outside. It's going to be like 80 something degrees and I'm just very excited. It's gonna be such a fun day. And yeah, I'm wearing, I'll show you an OOTD in a second, but I'm wearing the same dress that I've worn several times. It's just the black dress that I have from Amazon and I love it. It is so comfy, and I'm wearing just my little, and I have my little Winnie the Pooh pin right here. And I just did a quick makeup look, blow dried my hair, I have gold hoops on, and I'm ready to go. Very excited. Today's gonna be such a fun day. I have the black tennis dress. I have a cream colored fanny pack from Lululemon. I have my Winnie the Pooh pin, and then I'm wearing my Apple Watch because I want to see how many steps I do today. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing these Adidas.
Get a song.
I feel like I want my first fight to be without a song.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, I'm so excited.
So good.
So light and fluffy.
And the powder donut ratio, perfect.
We're not even staying here, and he made us wear lace. Yeah, I gotta see the view.
They've been in Orlando as well a lot.
Hello you guys, I am back in the room, just finished getting ready. I have a hair on my lip. I just finished getting ready and freshened up. We went and explored Disney Springs and a couple of the resorts as you saw. Now I'm just getting ready to go downstairs to the van, and I have about 5-ish minutes before I'm gonna leave my hotel room, but I pretty much am almost ready to go. I do have a commuting flight I'm trying to make tonight at 9:50. We land at like 9. We are quoted to land at 9:12. So I'm really hoping we can be a little bit early, or I don't know. But I'm trying to make my commuting flight. I have 2 that I can take. However, I'm just trying to get back earlier and as early as I can. So yeah. Time to work this flight back to Seattle. Hi you guys, just made it back to my car. It's currently like 12. I had to commute on a different airline tonight because I just missed the other flight. But I'm so tired, and tomorrow I actually leave for Disneyland, and I have to wake up at, I think, I don't know, like 4:30. So that's in like 4 hours already. I still need to go home, swap my suitcases out and everything. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.